Hi, I'm Samine Shoenhair, and this is my intro video for AEP800. I teach high school math at Prospect High School in Saratoga, California. It's actually in Silicon Valley. It's right next to San Jose. I've been teaching here for 17 years, but teaching for a total of 27 years. Still have a while to go before I retire. Oh, my goodness. Um, I've taught everything from fourth grade math up to high school, and I've also taught network administration classes as well. But currently I'm teaching at high school, and I have integrated math three, which is like the third year math, and AP Calculus BC. I also teach Avid, which is a cool class. Avid is, you're not sure what Avid is. Avid is a class that's it's basically for kids that would be kind of on the border at risks for some reason of going to a four-year college, and then Avid gives them the support they need to help them navigate the whole process, like being successful in high school, so they're eligible to go to a four-year college, and then also navigate the whole application process and scholarship and all that stuff, and then also give them the tools to be successful in college itself. So I teach one section of that, which is kind of fun. It mixes up the day a little bit, which I enjoy, and the kids are fantastic. So that's a little bit about me as far as professionally. As far as strengths and weaknesses with tech, I'm actually really comfortable with tech. I enjoy playing with it. My friends make fun of me because I rarely hold on to a cell phone for more than 3 or 4 months because I like the new tech. I'm an early adopter. But the one thing that I don't know is really the best way to use tech effectively in the classroom. Like I use it myself, but what about getting the kids, their hands dirty? I want to do more than just put them in front of a computer and have them typing away at stuff. So, I want them to get something out of it. So I'm really excited about getting a master's in instructional technology for that reason. Plus, I think it'll also open up opportunities in the district, but really I want it to help my students. That's the main reason I'm doing it. Um, yeah, that's a little bit about me, and I'm really looking forward to working with people. It's funny because listening to some of the videos, it sounds like I'm in the same boat as a lot of other people. This is my first semester also at Fort Hayes, and I took one class before spring break, but now I'm taking two, so I'm a little nervous about juggling everything while teaching full time. But it sounds like I'm not alone, so I'm really excited to have a lot of support from my peers, learn a lot of things from you guys. I'm excited to take risks and get people's feedback and how things are going. So yeah, I'll see you guys around. Thanks.